the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. From this heart essence of unsullied knowledge, everything is perfect in this unspeakable space, as if it were the space of the sky. It is luminous like the heart of the sun. It is perfected in the dominion of self-luminous blessings. It is like a mound of precious jewels that brings us our desires. It is a treasure of all things and has no position or preference. We are like the lions who have completed their great hunt. We are perfected in a unity that overwhelms our searches and practices. We surmount the levels instantaneously without traversing them, like birds taking off into the sky. This is not a planetary concern. Awareness is perfect in its own dominion. The luminescence and appearance of everything abides in our awareness, like the planets and stars arrayed in the sky. It is self-luminous and unsullied, perfect in its own dominion. The Tathagata Vajrasattva is a space of awareness and is not contrived. What we must understand is that our own joys will come to us without complications, for this is not based on causes and conditions. The mighty force that arises in the sky by itself is none other than the one that occurs by itself in our own dominion. In any way that we may organize it, our dominion is self-luminous. It is equal to all the suns. It is like the heart of the sun and has no limits. Upon examination, this luminescence is not to be visualized. It is a treasure of equanimity that is undisturbed and does not hold on. The self-occurring teachings dawn on us. The wheel of self-luminescence rolls on us. The treasure of the totality of the self-luminescent sun abides in everything. This is a dominion that is not linked to our understanding. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra that is equal to the end of the sky, this is the 4th chapter, the treasure of jewels that must be known.